Good morning everyone, this is Shetty and I'm going to teach you something cool tricks with which you can make fool of your friends. So let's start it. So first and foremost, just click the print screen button on your keyboard. Then open Paint. Just save it. Your screen gets saved here. Save it as something called Paint or something on G drive. This time I'll save in G drive. Save it. Then close it. The next thing you have to do is right click on your screen and view. Here the check mark is on show desktop icon. Just uncheck it. Your desktop icons get disappear. Then open your paint thing where you have saved it. Just right click on it and set as desktop background. Now you can see the image have been your desktop background and these are not the real images. You can see that if you double click it, nothing happens because it's just an image. By this way you can make fool of your friends. That's it guys, thank you so much and I'll get back to you with more some cool stuff. Thank you very much, bye.